Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 28th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there. So far, everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. All right, excuse me. All right, in tonight's video, we're going to be as well. Also, the Watch and Warn Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center overview. And the storm report that came in this afternoon. Also, we're going to take a look at your outlook for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday in this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Tell everybody about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel and tell them to subscribe as well. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, you can see we got a little bit of freezing rain up here in portions of southern Canada, across northern Michigan. Also into North and South Dakota. Same over here in western North Dakota, and also supported Montana, Washington, Oregon states as well. Alright, we got thunderstorms and showers elsewhere. Little patch well toward Colorado and over toward Nevada and California and southern Oregon as well. And the Baja area. Alright, you can see here we got a large area of showers and storms stretching from near Maine to portions of Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New York State, all the way towards southeast Canada through portions of Virginia, the Carolina, Georgia, also down in the central and eastern, all the way to Nebraska through the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and also in the portion of Montana, and also some showers along Missouri, and also in the portions of eastern Nebraska region. Some heavy rain and flash flooding possible. Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Washington, Oregon states as well. The Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, all the way down to Cuba, Jamaica, also down to the Yucatan Peninsula, also Gulf of California. Montana, Wyoming, and through portions of South Dakota as well. All of this activity is for your Tuesday, April 30th. Alright, let's take a look at the weather radar currently across the nation. Dakotas, scattered activity from New Mexico to Colorado, also into Wyoming, also Montana area. All right, let's take a look at the nation. All right, here we go. We got it. All right, Missouri back in the portions of Kansas through Arkansas, Louisiana, also into Texas. There's a in yellow from Texas all the way into portion of Oklahoma, also into portion of Missouri. We have some own portions of areas of Missouri and also into Kansas. River flood warning still in effect. Missouri portions of Nebraska and Kansas region as well. Special weather statements for portions of North Dakota and also into Montana. And also we have a winter storm watch for one county in Montana. In the purple here we have winter weather advisory for Montana. Watch been posted for one county there in area of Oregon. And also river flood warning is also in effect for portions of southern areas of Idaho and northern portions of Nevada. All right. And we have portions of the Florida Panhandle to southeast Texas, and again over here from gale warning, storm warning from portions of California to Washington State. Central and northern areas of Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Central and south, still got gale warnings there. Small crash advisory. Missouri, same in the portion of Oklahoma and also into portions of Texas as well. The red boxes is a tornado watch for portions of Missouri, down into portions of Arkansas and also Oklahoma, and same down across eastern Texas. Then that's pretty much in the enhanced risk area as well. All right, let's see if we can get to the storm reports. If not, I'll use the ones down here. Well, in fact, I'm going to use them anyway. Tornado report. Also, well, um, see if we can get to it if it'll let me go. Go to here we go. Alright, we're still waiting for it to come up, so hopefully it'll be up here in a minute. This is probably going to be a 2-hour video because it's going to take. We still got about 5% chance of damaging winds from Corpus Christi to San Antonio to Houston, toward Lufkin, Alexandria, Jackson, toward Mobile, and also over toward New Orleans for damaging winds on your Monday. And let's take a look at the hail probability. Okay, we got that from San Antonio to Austin to Corpus Christi to Houston to Lupkins, also to New Orleans, toward Jackson and Alexandria region for a 5% risk for large hail. Alright, now let's move on to your Tuesday forecast. Alright, here's day 4. You can see this is Wednesday. We got another little area of smother over portion of Oklahoma up to Woodward, also to Wichita area of Kansas, Manhattan, Hutchinson, and Emperor, Kansas area. You're pretty much in the 15% risk area for severe weather on day number 4, which is Wednesday. Let's try to get back to Tuesday forecast since that the other graphic messed up. I'm gonna try a different way to get to it. Alrighty, I think it's about to come up here. Alright, you can see here's the general thunderstorm from portion of Seattle to Portland to portion of Spokane area. Same over here from Burlington to Watertown to Richmond, Virginia, Washington, D.C. area to Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, down toward Tallahassee, also Fort Myers and Miami area, toward the Florida Keys. General Minnesota regions, we have a marginal risk in the area in the green. This includes Wichita Falls, Fort Steele, Norman, Oklahoma, also Oklahoma City, Woodward, Wichita, toward Del Monte, also Norfolk and Sioux Falls area. And if you live in Omaha, Lincoln, and also down toward Kansas City. All right, the probability is 5% in the brown and 15 in the yellow. So, alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Lighty video, share these videos. Have a good one, everyone. Take care and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Have a good one, folks. Take care.